Hi everybody. Today I got a lot of messages from you in our Emerald City University stream that said that the Call It Courage Chapter 2 was too small to read. Now, instructions on how to make it bigger, because I don't have any control in what size it comes to you. So if ever you get something from me and it shows that it is too small to read, come right up here to this magnifying glass and you hit the drop down arrow. Now you're going to click on 200%. See, now it is big enough for you to read. It is also big enough for you to add your text boxes in here to answer the questions. So once you've got it big enough that you can read it, then you're going to come over here to this T. You're going to add your text box in. You're going to move it around so that it fits perfectly in this spot. And then you're going to look up you're going to see the word uncaring, and you're going to decide which one of these four: tumult, indifferent, impending, or ominous. Which one does uncaring mean? Now, if you don't know, I gave you back in about 2 weeks ago, I gave you a Call It Courage author study. It is also in our Language Arts Google Classroom. Under Call It Courage, go to author study, and there is a dictionary in there that you can use to type these words in to find out what they mean. So make sure that you're checking your work. Make sure that you are typing in whatever it is that is supposed to go in there, and you just keep moving down the list, reading the words, putting in the text boxes, typing in your answers. You're moving across this way, and then scroll down through the different pages. All right, have fun. Talk to you soon.